So friends, morning of 13th September 2022, we are just about to leave from Keylong, and along with me is the owner of the wonderful Blue Pine Hotel at Keylong. His name is Mr. Sonam. सोनम जी जो हैं वो जेट एयरवेज़ के साथ काम करते हैं और इनकी बहुत अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है किलोंग में. आप लोग जो पहली बार इस रोड पे निकलते हैं मनाली ले पे, आप लोग सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ यहाँ पे कैंप्स हैं, बट कैंप्स कैन बी अनकम्फर्टेबल. इट कैनॉट बी रिप्लेसिंग द एक्सपीरियंस विच यू वांट टू हैव. ये होटल बहुत बढ़िया है, आप आके इसमें ठहरिए, आपको कंफर्टेबल गर्म पानी, बिस्तरे बहुत बढ़िया, एवरीथिंग नीट एंड क्लीन. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ ही इज़ अ वंडरफुल स्टाफ बिकॉज ओबियसली ही कम्स फ्रॉम द एविएशन इंडस्ट्री और एविएशन के स्टैंडर्ड्स तो आपको पता ही है सबसे अच्छे होते हैं. तो आप आइए, सोनम जी के साथ रुकिए. मैं इनका ब्लू पाइन होटल का नंबर नीचे लिंक में भी डाल दूंगा. काइंडली वेन एवर यू आर क्रॉसिंग दिस रोड प्लीज़ कम. एंड वंडरफुल व्यू फ्रॉम हियर. और जो सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाया इन्होंने, आलू के पराठे और बढ़िया चाय, बहुत बढ़िया. सोनम जी थैंक यू सो मच. हमारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो बोलिए.
वेलकम सर, आप सभी आइए.
हाँ,
मोस्ट वेलकम, हमें मौका दीजिए.
बस बढ़िया.
जरूर आइए.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you so much.
We will keep on catching today, 13 September 2022 as we go along. Good morning, 13th of September 2022. Time now is 8:50. We have started our journey from Keylong. Today we'll be attempting 2 passes. This video is about what we did yesterday. So yesterday at about 10:00 hours, we started from Manali towards Kunzum Pass. The initial bit of the road is absolutely a blacktop, and then you come to a point where there's a police checkpost, and then the police guy advises you that, sir, this is the last point where the signals are available. If you want to make any connect with your family and friends, kindly do from here, because if you go ahead, there is nothing. People take it as a joke, but actually when you get onto that axis on the main road, when you turn left and go onto that axis, it is, in my opinion, maybe a class 4, not even a class 3. It's full of pebbles, full of boulders, full of stones. It has only 3 water crossings, but they were not as lethal as probably some of the YouTubers do show. But yes, there is water, and for bikers, of course, there is a challenge because they are long. But for a car like Mahindra Thar, it was an easy ride. We jumped all the 139 kilometers that we did on this road going and coming back, and it took us close to 8 hours to do this. We reached the beautiful Kunzum Pass. Kunzum Pass is actually a breathtaking sight. It's a very well laid out pass. There's a driveway towards the pass. It's on the side of the road, and when you come there, you can really feel the serenity, the chill in the air, the serenity, the flags flying, and you can hear that flutter in your ear. It's actually a sight. I have shared with you the video of the flying of the Foxtrot flag and the India flag that we did. And between me, Ravi sir, and Ramesh Telan sir, we flew the flags independently of the squadron and of India, and had some great memories there. But more on the journey part of it, it is not for people who are probably a little weak in their structure or in their in their anatomy. It can lead to damages to your vehicles. I was using Mahindra Thar absolutely in 4x4 with full AC on because I didn't want to expose ourselves to the vagaries of the atmosphere. Too much of dust, too much of things flying in and around. The water crossings keep throwing water on you whenever you are closing by, and the vehicles which are crossing, we had, I think, close to about 4 close quarter situations where 3 trucks in a line coming right in front. There's nowhere to go. These force travelers, kind of big vehicles, and the road is very, very narrow. It takes test the mettle of the driver and the vehicle, and you have to be precise because if you go on the side of the road, the ledge can simply take you down, and it's a steep fall. I mean, it can lead to a catastrophic accident. But anyway, that being said, the journey was done, dusted. We have reached Kunzum Pass yesterday and scaled it. And over to Ravi sir for describing his experience of how the journey was. But from my side, before he starts, I want to compliment him for being my co-passenger since 10th of September. We've gone through a lot of thick and thin, which we will share in a separate video after this, and I will tell you how to bridge the gap between 44th and 80th course. So over to you, Ravi sir, for your part of the journey that you did for the team.
Good morning all. Yeah, we are ready to rock and roll today. There are supposed to be 2 passes. So, inshallah, we will end up at Sarchu in good order and fine fettle. Yesterday was the actual test of man and machine, man and nature, man himself. Because we had to see how much can we go, how much are we willing to do, and can one push oneself that much more, that extra mile, that extra step, that extra kilometer. And he did, Arun did do all that. I could see that there were times when he was stressed. I could see that there were times when there was tension, then there was physical pain, but he stuck it out and never gave us the impression that yes, there is a problem. So great driving. What was really good was at the end of it was, like Arun said, was a beautiful Kunjum Pass. The layout, the serenity, the prayer flags. It was inundated with the prayer flags, and so yes, so that was it, and it made the whole trip worthwhile at the end of it, because we came back to a good room at the end of it, I guess, and that's what makes all the difference to the body and soul, that you can sort of put it to sleep for the night. We did sort of come across a couple of trials and tribulations, but I mean, on a journey like this, there were bound to be enough of them. And we started off yesterday. Day before was the Jalori Pass. It was absolutely white out, but that's it. Anyway, so
And here is our vlogger Arjun, who is clicking the photographs of the 3 cars lined up, ready to go. We are on our way to Shinkula on 13th of September 2022. Right in front of me there is a hill on which there's a lot of fresh snow, and it's just looking like half a moon. When I see from here, I don't know how much justice the mobile would be able to do, but have a look. It's a wonderful sight. All around us are sandy mountains, and just on top of that mountain, a lot of fresh snow. Hello, good morning. 13th September 2022. Time 1015 hours. Sun is shining bright, and this is the first ever time that I have put the Grey Fox on the route which is going towards the Shinkula Pass. From the point from where I'm speaking with you, Shinkula is about 36 kilometers. I'll bring you more as we go along. The route so far has been perfect blacktop. Alright, we'll connect with you as we go along. Thank you. आप मेरे को बुक दे रहे हैं लामा जी, और ये यहाँ के बहुत बड़े स्पिरिचुअल लीडर हैं, और हम मुझे एक बुक गिफ्ट दी है इन्होंने, जो मतलब आज जो मेरे दिल में भाव है मैं बता नहीं सकता। आशीर्वाद है।
इसमें बहुत मंत्र है विश्व शांति के लिए। ये अब हर रोजी पढ़िए, विश्व शांति के लिए आपका सहयोग रहेगा। इसमें मेरा एड्रेस भी है।
ओह, थैंक यू।
पूरा एड्रेस है, मेल आईडी है, सब कुछ है। अब रखिए,
मैं आपको
आप जेब में रखिएगा।
हाँ जी, मैं जेब में हमेशा
बहुत अच्छी चीज।
थैंक यू। और मैंने लामा जी को एक छोटा सा, कुछ कीमत नहीं लगा सकते, लेकिन एक छोटा सा भारत का बिल्ला दिया है, और मुझे बहुत खुशी होगा कभी इनका फोटो मिले मुझे वो बिल्ला लगा के।
धन्यवाद,
थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत अच्छी।
ये बहुत बड़ा ऑनर मिला आज शिंकुला आगे। लगता है आगे का रास्ता बहुत अच्छा गुजरेगा। आज जो आशीर्वाद ये बड़े लोगों से मिला है,
ये सारा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
यस,
ये कल चक्र मंत्र है।
यस, हाँ जी,
इसमें 10 अक्षर होता है।
हाँ जी।
ओम आ हूं हं खा माला वाला या पर। आजकल माहौल गड़बड़ करने वाला वो सारा शन हो जाएगा, ये मंत्र को जाएगा।
मेरा लामा जी एक लाइफ में मेरा एक विजन है कि मैं अगले साल से हर साल 5 दिन के लिए किसी मोनेस्ट्री में आऊं, सेवा करूं, वहां रहूं, और वहां भी अपने मन को शांत करके अपना नया जो बिजनेस आइडियाज है तो वहां डेवलप करूं।
बहुत
तो मैं वहां गया था। टाइम 1115 hours. We are at the third pass, Shinkula. It's breezy, windy. You can see the 3 Mahindras parked. You can see the Shinkula board, and here we are. Third pass done. What a wonderful place. You can see the 360-degree view from the mighty Shinkula. Shinkula is on the way to a place called Padum, and today I am wearing the National Defence Academy cap, which was presented to us by the Commandant of the National Defence Academy, Vice Admiral Ajay Kochhar, when he flagged us off from the National Defence Academy. It was a rare honor. Thank you very much, Ajay sir, for honoring us. We'd never forget your wonderful and kind words and the gesture of flagging us off from the alma mater, where we all learned what we did. Maker of men, proud of the National Defence Academy and proud of the Indian Armed Forces. Jai Hind.
So, why are we sending to you? Because we are part of you and you are part of us.
It is not about one-way traffic, sir. It is two-way traffic. And you've been a comms guy in the Navy. You know how clear Navy is.
I'm glad that you are enjoying yourself despite such a tiring trip.
No, it is.
It's not a joke.
Yes, sir.
That is there. That is there. But that is what the Forge is all about here. Navy, Army, Air Force. That come thick or thin. You know, you shave in the morning and you look smart the next day. Yeah? so whatever. Yeah, no, so.
Alright folks, 13th September 2022, time 1508 hours, and we are at Bara La Chala. Bara La Chala, anything you may call it, makes the sense or incense. Okay.
आगे ले लेना.
Good morning from Leh, 16th September 2022. Time is 0830 hours. I'm sorry my throat is a little bad, but I'm back to Hotel Kesar Palace, where I stayed for 3 days when I came to Leh 3 months ago, and meet my good friend Arvind Thakur, who manages this hotel. And I'm so happy to note that he's still wearing the ship which I gave him last time, and today I have gifted him a mighty INS Vikramaditya cap. INS Vikramaditya is the mighty aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy, and presently under the command of Commodore Sushil Menon, who happens to be my coursemate from the National Defence Academy. Sushil, this video I'm specially shooting for you. We are very, very proud of you, your achievements. May God give you more strength as you rise up in the Navy. And Arvind, जैसे आप अपने गेस्ट का ध्यान रखते हो, ऐसे कॉमोडोर सुशील मेनन देश की बाउंड्रीज का ध्यान रखते हैं.
जी सर.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके फिर दोबारा. और आप बाहर खड़े हुए थे जब हम आ रहे थे, उससे दिल एकदम बहुत खुश और अच्छा हो गया.
थैंक यू.
गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस के साथ पैलेस. और ये सारे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने हमारी लास्ट टाइम हमारे साथ इन्होंने पूरा मेरा साथ दिया था. उस टाइम हमारी तबीयत भी बड़ी ख़राब थी, पर इन्होंने कभी एक बोझ उठाने नहीं दिया मेरे को. गाड़ी भी एकदम नई बना के दे दी थी. तो मुझे एक एक चीज़ याद है. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड ले में आके मज़ा आया. अब आप ये टोपी पहनोगे, हमें याद करोगे. थैंक यू एंड सी यू टुडे. Good morning, 16th of September 2022, time 1020 hours. We have just left Kharu behind and we are on our way to the Changla Pass. Our attempt today is to cross the Changla Pass as a part of our mission to meet and greet the wonderful Indian Army, which had provided us with a lot of support and were eagerly waiting to host us. So we are on our way to thank all those units, all those commanding officers and the brigade commanders, and also the kind of gifts that we carried for them. We thought that it would be very appropriate for us to go meet them and kind of spend a quality and good time, and that's what the GOC at Leh also felt and opined. So Ravi sir and I, we are now starting our climb up to Changla. Tonight our stay will be with the brigade commander at Tangste. He's a wonderful, wonderful man, 86 Bravo, a very accomplished sportsman, a great footballer, and I had the great fortune of doing my staff course with him. So looking forward to meeting him. And Ravi sir is also smiling and happy, though we both lost our throats a bit at Sarchu, but otherwise the spirits are great guns. So looking forward to showing you some very quality stuff as we now begin this meet and greet kind of tour into the eastern Ladakh, and let's hope, I don't know what we are going to unfold for you because the plans are not there anymore. Thank you. Ravi sir, your word?
Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, in the company of Arun, I'm quite happy wherever he takes me, and great company, and this is a great time to see all these places. I personally am hoping that one of the units has a South Indian cook. I'm looking forward to some masala dosa and idli. Cheers.
So, as you used to say when we used to go to the NDA, how do you know that South India has come? From chai, it used to become kapi. So copy that, Foxies. Have a look, keep watching as we go and chug along towards Changla. So good morning, 16 September 2022. Time is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and today I've met the first cyclist on the road to Changla Pass, and that is Rajat. And I saw him really bringing up his bicycle, and Dilbar is the song which is going on in his ears. And बहुत अच्छा लगा रजत से मिलके. And I asked him, कहाँ जा रहे हो? So he said, pass. वो कहते हैं कि मेरे को पास चढ़ना ही है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. This is the spirit. He's coming from Manali. I think 460 kilometers till Karu, and Karu के बाद another 30. Zanskar से आ रहे हैं अभी. So you can imagine the kind of thing. Rajat, I wish you all the best. कि आप ये कर पाओ. ये डस्ट से आपको कोई तकलीफ, ये जो डस्ट उड़ रहा है यहाँ पे बहुत
नहीं इतनी तकलीफ,
खांसी हो रहा है ना. तो मेरे पास गाड़ी में कुछ गोंद के लड्डू पड़े हुए थे, तो मैंने कहा रजत मैं तुम्हारे को लड्डू खिलाता हूँ.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
नो प्रॉब्लम. तो रजत ने मेरे से पूछा कि आप नेवी में हैं, तो मैंने कहा हाँ मैं नेवी में था, सबमरीन चलाता था. तो एक बहुत अच्छा कनेक्ट हुआ, और अभी पास काफ़ी ऊपर है. रजत, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
कि आप जल्दी से ऊपर चढ़े और उसके बाद आपका मिशन सक्सेसफुल हो. ऑल द बेस्ट रजत. बाय बाय.
थैंक यू.
16 September 2022, time 11:25 a.m. We are climbing towards Changla, and this is a particular spot as you climb towards Changla which is prone to landslides. 3 months ago, when I had crossed this axis, we had got stuck at the same point, but there's a JCB which is permanently positioned here, and the JCB is working. The bikers are waiting along with us. The car that you see ahead of us was being driven at a crazy speed, and he had overtaken us good about 15 minutes ago. So that's the destiny of life. He's just standing ahead of us. He's not gone far. So on the hills, we have been now enjoying the scenery, the blue sky. I just met up with a cyclist who was coming up, and he's also going towards Changla. We stopped, had a conversation with him, a fine young man from Manali, and he was running low on energy. Luckily, the Gond ka laddu that I carried from home has come handy for him, and I asked him to pick up as much as he can, and like a shy boy he picked up 2 energy bars, and I think that in another 5 minutes time he should be able to catch up with us with all his energies full. So in life it is better to drive slow and steady and win the race. See you as the videos of the day get compiled. Good evening, 16 September 2022. We reached Tangste, and right now we are with the famous Chushul warriors. Let me show you where we have been put up as a part of our pit stop on day one. First, let me give you a view of the wonderful river, the Shyok River, which is flowing right next to the place of our stay. You can see this beautiful sight even as the sun is going down behind those hills and they are illuminated. Tangste is a beautiful, beautiful place to come, and this is the Changthang hut, which was inaugurated sometime on 31st December, or rather 31st March 2012. Let's step inside and have a look. There's a wonderful big gallery here, and then we step into the sitting room. There is a large bedroom here in which my venerable senior is having a good afternoon rest, and as we step out into this living room with beautiful view of the library and a wonderful painting here which is called the Kangri Bok. Good morning, 17th of September 2022, time 0900 hours. We are at Tangste, stayed with the fantastic brigade here and had a very wonderful good night's sleep. Why? Because just next to the huts where we stayed is a big river which is flowing. Now it's a boon if there is a river in these arid or desert-like conditions, because the river gives you adequate oxygen and keeps the moisture levels correct. My oxygen levels in the night were at 88, BP was sharp 120/82, everything was good, and the night was absolutely pleasant, warm, cozy. Couldn't have asked for a better pit stop. The evening spent in the company of the brigade officers and the honorable lady of the brigade commander himself, because he's deployed a little up front, was a sheer delight. We caught up on a lot of subjects, and it was great to meet with these young fine officers who are manning these positions. These sectors are not easy. These sectors demand supreme physical fitness and a great respect and regard for the nature. The kind of view which I'm seeing in front of me right now, or just next, left and right, is phenomenal, cannot be defined. What do you say, Ravi sir?
Yeah, absolutely. And I concur with what Arun has said about the surroundings and the night and the the environment in which we spent the night. And this brigade has maintained these these huts and the VIP huts wonderfully well. Uh, the shush sounds of the river flowing has got a very soothing effect. And I woke up in the morning to the sound of the rotors of the hepters, and it took me right back to the days when I was in uniform. And I said, "Oh wow!" So that those kindlings are back again. And this river has got fish, and there's a little bridge, across from this side to the other, where these fish gather around, and it's quite a sight actually to see so many fish milling around in that little spot. This is actually a great area where man, nature, beast have to coincide, be in sync, and survive. Cheers.
Okay, so we are on our way now towards the Rezangla, the world famous Rezangla War Memorial, where the units are waiting for us, and from there on we will move ahead to our next destination. We'll keep you posted as the day goes along. Have a great day ahead and have a good time. 17 September 2022, time 1030 hours. We are on our way to Pangong, and right in front of us you can see that there is a JCB which is operating. Seems that the road is being widened. 3 months ago when I was here in this sector, this part of the road was narrow, so it's being cut further, and it's a complete dust bowl. So we're just sitting inside our car, just waiting for the JCB to clear the road and move ahead.
If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.